Profit and loss lesson number 3. A sells an article to B at 12.5% profit. B sells into C at 20% profit and C sells into D at 20% loss. If the cost price for D is 1080, then find the cost price for A. Question kan enchianga A chuan B hena shala tro. B hena 12.5% profit na shala. Chuan B in C hena shal velea. Chu 20% profit in. Chuan C in D hena shal lea. Chu 20% loss in. Chuan hema hian A tan cost price kha B tan as shala tro selling price. Chuan B tan chuan kha selling price kha cost price ron ni vele chenga. Chuan C hena shal velea. Chuan C tan B selling price kha C tan chuan cost price ron nenga. Chuan D hena selling price nenga. Chuan D hian shal chong vele don ta se chu C selling price kha D cost price ni vele chang. So I think ratio method man kan chong. Masabara 12.5% profit ni ti kan shikhe tro. So ti chu cost price le selling price kan se kan 12.5% chu 1/8 ti kan tia. Chuan 8/9 ti na. 1/8 plus nenga 8 plus 1 to 9. So next 20% profit niya. So ti chu 1/5 niya 20% chu. Chuan 5 plus 1 6. So next 20% loss na shal ya. Chuan 5 minus 1 4. Chuan hi kan cancel nga. Okay. Chuan 25 is to 27 loss from dra. 4 2 are nga chuan 2 3 are 6. Chuan hi hey lo cost price lo zir chiang telai A na shal na ni A in B a shala dra. B in C in D a tina nia. Chuan hai hian omse chu 80 cost price for A tina. Cost price for A is to cost price for B. Cost price for B le selling price for A khain ang don na. Tro chu wain cost price vek chan chu cost price for A kan mo a. Chuan cost price vek kan chan tir nga. Chunai po hi cost price for B ni nga. Chu a selling price for B le cost price for C khain anga. Chuan cost price for C le cost price for D lo ni vele dong. Chuan ta hian ei B le B kan cancel the to C le C cancel the chuan ala chong chu cost price for A le cost price for A le cost price for D dina. Hi cost price for A dina 25 hi cost price for A cost price for D. Chuan heading given kan esa cost price for D is 1080 te. 1080 cost price for D ni chuan hi 1080 equal chuan inside nge equal na 14 don dina. Chuan hi cost price for A nia cost price for A. Hi cost price for D. Cost price for D. Chuan cost price for D khan 1080 equal na to the 1 unit to 14 dona. Chuan 14 can multiply by chuan cost price for A kha 1000 also. So I can answer to cost price for A equal to rupees 1000. Next question kalanga. A sells an article B and 25% profit. Full stop. B spends rupees 500 for the repairing and sells into C at the rate of 20% profit. C spends rupees 2000 and sells to D at the rate of 12.5% profit. Find the difference between the cost price of A and D. If the cost price 4 D is 6,300 thì căn chồng 25% to 1 by 40 can share ACS and article to be 25%. ACS and article to be 25%. 25% to 1 by 40 can share. So the two 4 is to 5 in the selling cost price less selling price. So draw profit na shala. So B spends rupees 500 for the repairing and sells to D. B to 500 mga draw 500. So and sells to C at 20% profit, 20% to 1 by 5 on the 22, 5 is to 6. So C spend 2,000 rupees and sells to D at 12.5% to 1 by 18. 1 by 8 to 8 is to 90 anime. So find the difference between the cost price of A. Cost price of A to here. Cost price of A to 1 and D. If the cost price of D is cost price of D to 6,300 6,300 네. 저쪽 엔딩 약간 좀. 히 7 can multiply to 6,300 로 총화. 저는 히 7 can multiply by 56. Chuan 56 ring hian sang hi an bela tro chuan D ne kan shala. Chu 2000 kan le sanga ya. Chu 3600 lo ne hi kan cost price lo ni bela chenga. Chu 600 ne nga himita chuan 3000. Chuan 3000 jang hian 500 kan less be chenga. Chu 500. Chu he can cost price to lo ni be chenga chu 25 zar chuan 500 kan multiply chuan 2000 kan cost price for A to 2000 dina. Cost price for A 2000 chuan find the difference between the cost price of A and D. Therefore cost price for A equal to rupees 2000. Chuan cost price for D equal to 6,300 ne. Difference between a difference can log on chuan 6,300 minus 2,000 to a difference to 4,300. Next question ang kalanga question number 9 na. A man purchased 300 articles. He sells 75 articles at the rate of 9.5% profit, 105 articles at the rate of 5.5% profit, and the remaining articles at the rate of 10.5% profit. Calculate his overall profit percent. Overall profit lak mo overall kan lak dong chuan GSM method kan manga. GSM method la shlo chuan kina ka previous video kha in lo en lenga. 300 articles oma dra 300 articles oma. Chuan he sells 75 articles. 75 articles shala to 9.5% profit in. So next 105 articles kha 5.5% profit in shala. So next remaining to example 105 le 75 kan belanga chuan 300 jangin kan le sang 300 minus 75 minus 105 to 120. So 105 profit 10.5 profit in ashalaya. Chuan he ratio kan langa 5 is to 7 is to 8 velandona. Chuan GSM method ang chuan a minimum kha kan langa dra minimum choose 5.5 ania. Minimum kan si sianga 5.5. Chuan exam ni extra om tagen extra exam extra to 4 oma chuan himine kan multiply nga into 5. So 20 chuan he can envenga exactly extra 5.5 jang exactly extra to 5.5 tira 5.5 ka minimum ania chuan extra to 5 ania into 8 nan kan multiply into 8 to 40 chuan hemi de pani kan belanga 40 plus 20 to 60 extra kan zong exactly extra omzetu overall percentage to 5.5 plus something and done. So a plus extra ka kami yaw kan lachoka. So divided by 5 plus 7 plus 8 20 nedra. Extra dilai to 3% extra omdina. So overall profit to also kan lathaya. Overall profit to 5.5% plus 3%. So 8.5% ina. Next question number 10. The cost price of chi article is in the ratio 4:3:5. He sold the articles at 10%, 11%, and 7% profit, respectively. If he gets an overall profit of rupees 1080, then find out the cost price of his article, the cost price of each article. Cost price of chi article to 4:3:5 they can share. He sold the articles at the rate of 10%, 11%, and 7%. So on overall profit to 1080. Then find out the cost price of each article. 4:3:5 hi exact nge amount tak Mizo ta tro. Exact amount nge ni di Mizo ta chan chu tu chon ratio san engpo ni thaya. Chu amasai jese method manga kan tilenga all sum dawa minimum kan la choka chu 7 ni tro. Then a chan extra chu 7 10 minus 7 chu 3 into 4 chu 12. Chon ta chuan 11 a chuan 4 ni tro 11 minus 7 4 3 into 4 to 12. 12% vega extra amount to 12 plus 12 to 24. So divided by 4 plus 3 plus 5, 7 plus 5. To 12 and hi extra kan zong atro extra to 2% ina. So an overall profit sang overall profit to 7% plus 2% ina. So 9%. So an overall profit ka then 1080 kan dito atro. So this 9% equal to 1080 tina. So 1% kan zane to kan tuan kan share do 1080 divided by 9 kan tinga 1% tuan 122. So 100% tuan hey chu exact percent nge kan shela ma se 100% don ti chu kan share tra 100% tuan 120 into 100 me to 12000 12,000 look dona to 4:3 4:3:5 can divide nga chuan cost price of each article lo chukang 4 into 12 to 4,000 nga chuan 3,000 and 5,000 hi cost price of each article and don dina. Chuan question part kan en lenga a man purchased some articles for rupees 5,400. He sold 2/3 of them at 5% profit. At what profit percent he has to sell the remaining articles so that the overall value at 13% profit. 1/3 2/3 etc. Umjechu muntum chana munni kha 5% profit na sha muntum chana munni kha. So that the overall value at 13% profit. Alas na hemi hi exact in nge ashalang ati chu 13% profit thei turin chuti chu 13% profit plus 13 plus something ngai don san chu ama hian 5% le 5% in allow shal to pa article pani kha a recover ngai don din chu chuan overall 13% kan duwa tro 13% kan duwa 13% kan duwa chuti chu heta hian 13% tin no chu 8% ania ta po hian 8% in 13% tin no chu hemite pani kan bel chuan 8 plus 8 16 chuan kan overall kha ta chuan 13 tlinga tro kan overall kha 13 tlinga chu in 13 plus 16 chuan 29% he kan answer 29% na shal chuan a second article sorry a third article kha 29% na shal chuan overall in 13% in shal don dina chan chu ama in 5% level na lo shal to chu allow sort to dina allow a profit kha a percent kha lo petlema chuan chu mi recover le tur chuan 13% khami le thei tu kha kan du atra chuan khami abang kho zong kha alo la ti lo ho zong kha kan belanga 8 le 8 ania chuan chu 16 ania chuan 13 rai kan belanga chuan 29% hi kan answer to chu a third article na kha 29% ashal chuan overall value a 13% in ashal dina next question a man purchased 95 articles at rupees 1,800. He sells 2 by 7 part of the articles and got 20% profit. Then at what loss percent he should sell the remaining articles so that the overall he will get no profit no loss. No profit no loss. Profit omlo loss po omlo in. So 2 by 7% ka 2 by 7 ka 1 2 ka ashala tro. So 20% profit and 20% profit na shala. So 1 2 3 4 5 ka kan lan hey line method antia amasa previous po line method ania and that in then at what loss percent he should sell the remaining articles so that the overall he will get no profit no loss amain article dang pani kha profit and loss atwa mase no profit no loss kan du sia chu ti chu article dang panga hi chu loss in asha langai don chu ti chu exact loss in no profit no loss tu chu exact ngai tuna hian article masa pani kha 20 le 20% ne dra 40% ina chu ti chu kha 40% kha 40% kan loss le ngai don chuan kha 40% kha exact percent chewin nge hei panga omatra 1 2 3 4 5 exact percent chewin nge loss ngai don so divided by 5 in me chu 8% pakhate te hi 8% loss zel ashal chuan no profit no loss in ashal thei don tina